So we are at the All-Star Sports Resort here in Disney, and we're gonna give you guys a little tour on our trip. So we're staying in the football section here, but I wanna take you around the resort, give you guys a little bit of tour, and show you what we're up to. If my camera is foggy right now, it's because it is so incredibly humid. The second that I walk out, I can't even see through my glasses because it's so humid. They fog up. But I'm gonna try to wipe this off and give you guys a tour and show you what we're doing while we're staying here at All-Star Sports. We are starting our day in the food court and gonna grab us some breakfast. Alright, ham and cheese omelet. We have a loaded tacho bowl, which looks really interesting to me. Alright, cinnamon rolls, bacon and egg sandwiches. Which ones? I know, right? They look good. An omelet, tater tots, pancakes, waffles,
and some fruit.
Nice.
Our brain escaped.
Getting cereal.
Nice crispy smoothie.
Alright, so I ended up getting this tacho bowl, which is humongous.
Looks like a volcano of breakfast.
It does. That's honestly what it looks like. Oh, let's try it out. Alright. This is really good. It has eggs and sausage gravy, cheese, and bacon. Chad got a cinnamon roll.
A warm cinnamon roll.
It looks so good.
And a Western omelet.
Nice.
And I've already eaten all my barrels.
What's inside the omelet?
Ham, egg, cheese, and peppers and onions.
We also have this little coloring station in the food court. So Eli is coloring a picture of Stitch. All right, next up, right after breakfast, we're checking out the arcade. Not a lot of people here early in the morning, so this might be the time to come. Eli is gonna do this motorcycle game. Oh, I can feel the wind. It blows wind in your face like you're going down a real mountain. All right, what'd you get?
29.
Nice. So Eli and Chad are still in the arcade playing, and I'm gonna go take a look around the resort. Here's a look at the map. So here's where we are. And they have the football, baseball. Right in the middle is like the surfing beach, and then tennis and basketball. We got the Surf's Up bathhouse, which is where you're gonna find the laundry right there. All right, this is pretty neat because it kind of looks like a boardwalk. This is like the surfing section of the resort. We got a big shark fin here. One thing that I love about the All-Star resorts is their stairs. All the stairs go with the theming, and like this, that looks like a lifeguard post for the surfing area. We also have some big checkers, places to hang out. Over here is basketball. This way is tennis. And the best place to get your photo right here with Mickey. So for the basketball, the stairs are like these cheerleading, it's what it reminds me of, like a cheerleading megaphone. And then all the basketballs with the whistles, the big hoops. Now the basketball back here along with the tennis, which is right over here, is gonna be your rooms that are furthest away from the buses, if you plan on taking buses to the park, or furthest away from that main area where you grab your food. I don't know if you can see, but you can see there's a stairwell over there. So they even have some tennis ones way back here. But here, little canister that holds the tennis ball is gonna be your stairwell. All right, so here is our tennis section. And we got that tennis chair up there. Also, there's Huey, Dewey, and Louie playing baseball. Not tennis. I think this is why Donald is so mad over here, maybe because his nephews are playing baseball when he wants to play tennis with them. Yeah, he looks pretty upset. I think he wants them to play tennis with them. Also, I said that there are fun stairs, but if you're staying at the top and want to take an elevator, there are elevators right in the middle of all of these buildings. Another fun thing about these resorts, since they're so family friendly, I love that people decorate their windows. Right, over here is another decorated window. I actually had it on my to-do list to bring decorations for our window, and I just forgot. But I mean, how fun is this if you bring your kid for their birthday? So the surfing section is also what's going to be closest to the main pool area. And then you can cut right through here to get to the buses. We are staying in the football, and it's really not that bad of a walk. It's pretty close. Also here at night is where they do s'mores. They had them all set up last night. I'm out here kind of early, so they're doing some lawn work. So sorry for the noise in the background, but they're making it look beautiful. Here we are in the football. So right past the football is going to be the baseball. And there's also a pool over here. This is the second pool. It's going to be, you know, they say more chill, but in these places, there's not really a quiet pool. So over in the baseball section, you're going to find the second pool. It's going to be your more quieter pool because it's just not as busy. But I feel like when you're at the All-Stars, there's just so many people with young kids. Not gonna find many quiet places, but this pool is a little more relaxed. Some more guest laundry over by this pool. This is the middle where you're gonna find your elevators. Coke is where you're gonna have your stairs. This pool has a Goofy spraying water. How fun is that? Looks like all the pools are open from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. And for those of you who maybe haven't stayed at a Disney resort before or swam at one, they do offer life jackets. So when we came with our little ones who couldn't swim, we packed them. Then we figured out that they have them here. The only thing is it's gonna be first come, first serve. So this is all they have for this pool. Whenever they're gone, they're gone. We've never ran into an issue, but I guess it could depend on how busy it is. Another thing that they're gonna have, you can see over here, is your pool towels. So you don't have to bring any from your room. Here's some more decorated windows. So if you're coming for a birthday, how fun is this? So this is the only restaurant place you're gonna get food here. They don't have any sit-down restaurants. Looks like we might be changing over to lunch. Oh, someone got their balloon stuck. She got it. All right, we're gonna head into Sports Goofy. I got some of their merch. I got a lot of the 100th. Oh my goodness, these are so tiny. They're so cute. Oh, I haven't seen the Pluto yet. They do have some resort merch. How cute is this? It comes with a bow. They got some of the ESPN merch here too. All the Mickey golf balls. Lots of fun toys and games. So you're gonna mostly just find your classic things. Also just a few old items. Honestly, if you want something like that or like this, grocery store items, we always use Amazon Fresh, and we just order them and deliver them to our room. Way cheaper. So out from the Goofy store is that's where you're going to get your bus to all the parks. They're right out here. Here's your check-in. They also have an artist out here doing name drawings. They looked really neat. We're gonna head back into the arcade, see how the boys are doing.
Look at all the stuff I got from that machine.
What?
I got you a pig.
Oh my goodness, you're so sweet. All right, so we're gonna be swimming in the baseball pool because it's right next to our room.
And
So
it has Goofy shooting water out of the can.
yeah, So the main pool's over there, and this is the Grand Slam pool. We're gonna hang out here for the afternoon. So we have a storm rolling in. Can you see the difference in the clouds? So pool is closed for right now. So we are off to go get some lunch. All right, started to rain. Kind of hear the thunder.
Man, that's nice rain.
Yeah, we're doing the parks later today. So maybe this will help cool it down a little. All right, so while it rains, we're grabbing some lunch. All right, oh, here's the desserts. But we gotta eat lunch first. Wow, look at that. Brownie sundae. Oh, a churro sundae.
I want to get some pizza.
Chad got this yesterday. The summertime favorites. That's an eclair that looks like a hot dog. And then the fries were like sugar cookies. All right, at the station, we got some barbecue, chicken, salmon, sesame chicken stir fry, possible meatloaf. Here's the market area and has like some grab and go salads, yogurt parfaits and fruit. Okay, over here we have burgers, chicken fingers, pizza. Here is that eclair that looks like a hot dog. Some more treats. These look good.
Ooh, that kind
You
of.
look good?
Oh, that's like the frosting is the gray stuff they have.
Oh yeah. All right, so I got a piece of pizza. This was the whole piece of pizza. What they call it, like a mega slice. So it's basically, a super slice. So it's basically 2 pieces. I cut it in half, so it'd be easier to eat. Chad got what did they call this?
Bases loaded.
Bases loaded burger, which has an onion ring, and then they put like a pool of cheese in the onion ring, and it's just melted down. Let's give it a try.
Who did it?
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. And they made it fresh too, so it was like I watched them put the meat down. It wasn't like a burger sitting in the warmer or something like that. So everything's fresh. It's very good.
So we did end up getting one of the refillable mugs here at the resort. So we don't always get one because we spend a lot of our times in the park. But if you are planning on staying at the resort, maybe having a resort day, I think it's totally worth it to get it and get refills. Plus, it's so cute. But now that we're done with lunch, we are gonna just head back to the room and relax for a little bit before we decide what we're gonna do next. We just got back to the room. Wanted to give you guys a little bit of an overview. So this is like a Murphy bed. It can go up and you can have a table with 2 chairs. But yeah, we'll just leave it down. And then here's your other bed. We have our luggage out, so ignore that. But you have your dresser and this little area with your coffee. We brought a few snacks with us. And the bathroom with our swimsuits drying from the pool. Closet. So it's a pretty good size room for just a small group. We are back in the room for the night. It ended up storming, thunderstorm, lightning. So the pool is shut down. There's not going to be any outdoor movie or anything like that. So we're just going to get ready and head to bed. We had so much fun on our stay here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.